Hey everybody, welcome to my latest video, which is some realistic motivation, just a mundane, normal, boring, some may say, day at home where I'm doing some housework and some chores, and I'm going to share it with you because that is what my channel is all about. I'm starting off this morning by emptying the dishwasher. I have an empty house because I've just dropped my children off at school and at nursery. Before I can do anything, I have to do these jobs and get them out of the way. It just makes me feel better. So I'm going to empty the dishwasher because this is all clean, and then all of this horrible pile of dirty dishes can be put into the dishwasher and I can turn it on. Now that the dishwasher is doing its thing, I can clean the sink. Ugh, I hate, and I can't believe I dropped it everywhere. I hate the bits of food that get caught in the sink like this. It makes me feel sick. So I put all that in the bin, and I'm going to use my Flash bicarb spray to spray down the sink and wipe it with a microfiber cloth to get it all shiny and clean again. That looks a million times better. I'm just going to pop a little bit of bicarb of soda in the plug holes as well with a bit of white vinegar, which makes it nice and clean inside of the sink as well. The bits that you can't see, gets rid of any nasty smells. And I'm going to put those two plug bits, whatever you call them, in the dishwasher to give them a clean. I'm now going to wipe down my chopping board and my sides using the same Flash bicarb spray. This is by far my favourite spray to use at the moment. It's nice and foamy, that's what I love about it, but I'm going to use it to spray down all of the sides and my little soap dish tray, which I haven't cleaned for a while as well. Okay, the sides are now looking clean. I just need to do this little sticky out islandy, I don't know what you call this part of the kitchen, need to wipe this down as well. I thought that that would be it for the kitchen, but then I noticed that the hob looks like this. From where I was cooking on it last night, it is a mess. So I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to spray, wipe, and be done. Right, now I really am done in the kitchen. My son has left some toys here that I'm going to tidy away. There is a cabbage. My son is obsessed with vegetables, please don't ask, which I'm also going to get rid of. And I'm going to move into here. The boys have made a fair bit of mess before they went to school this morning, so I'm going to walk around and tidy everything away. I'm also going to spend a minute in this corner here. I'm going to wipe down this table, which usually has things on it, so it hardly ever gets cleaned. I'm going to take a minute to just give it a thorough wipe before I put my toddler's little Playmobil house back on there. I actually took a minute to clean the Playmobil house as well, because I don't think I ever have, and it was actually surprisingly dusty in here, so I'm glad I did that. Slowly working my way around the room, I've made it to the dining table now, where some washing was hanging on the chairs, so I got that all folded up, and I'm going to wipe down the dining table from all of the mess from dinner last night and breakfast this morning. I'm just going to wipe it all away. And I'm going to move these flowers and pop them up on the windowsill here to add a little bit of colour to the kitchen. And I've moved into the living room. I need to wipe down this tray that's covered in birthday cake after my eldest son went to a party. Actually, he had 3 parties this weekend. I swear I just live at children's parties sometimes. I'm just going to wipe down the tray and the poof and place this all back. I'm going to refold these cozy blankets that we've had out over the weekend and just have a little tidy up. Now it's time to vacuum the hard floors, so I'm going to go through the kitchen and the playroom and the dining room and just vacuum every little corner. quickly going to use a lint roller to get rid of kitten hair off of these bar stools. It works super quickly. And I'm going to move upstairs now. Our bedroom is a bomb site from the weekend, and my fiance's wardrobe is in full flow. So I'm going to get everything off the floors. I'm going to make the bed, tidy up in here and make it look and feel much more homey. And I'm going to work my way through all of the bedrooms, making all of the beds. Next up, I'm going to put on a load of laundry, because does the day ever go by where we don't put on a load of laundry? I need to take this clean laundry off of the drying rack first and fold this up ready to be put away. Then I can put on a fresh load. These 3 items were actually still a little bit wet, so I put those back on the rack for a little bit longer. And I'm going to grab a washing tablet and some fabric softener, pop them in the drum and put on today's load, which I will take out, hang up and do the whole thing all over again later on today. So I've done what I needed to do this morning, which means I can crack on with work and other bits that I need to do now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe for 2 videos a week, and I'll see you in my next one.